I was paying $99 a month for carousel design software, custom templates, brand kits, scheduling, the whole stack. Then I discovered Claude can do all of it better and it costs nothing. Let me show you the exact system I used to create 30 viral carousels in 10 minutes. Why carousels? Because the algorithm loves them. LinkedIn carousels get 6.6% engagement. That's 596% higher than plain text. Instagram carousels hit 10% engagement, beating even reels. The reason is dwell time. Every swipe signals to the algorithm. This is high value content. And the new saves metric, posts with saves get 35% more secondary distribution. Carousels are the single highest ROI content format right now. The old way is expensive and slow. Canva Pro costs $13 a month. Content drips 15 to 40 a month. Postive AI $99 per seat. And they all give you the same recycled templates that everyone else is using. You spend 20 minutes tweaking fonts and colors instead of creating content. The result? Your carousel looks like every other carousel on the platform. Here's how to set up Claude for carousels. Go to claude.ai and start a new conversation. If you want Claude to remember your brand, use projects. Create a project called My Carousels and add your brand guidelines: colors, fonts, tone of voice, target audience. Now, every conversation in that project uses your brand automatically. Now, the master prompt. This is the one prompt that generates a complete carousel. Tell Claude. Create a 7 slide LinkedIn carousel on, then your topic. Slide 1 is a bold hook that stops the scroll. Slides 2 through 6 are the main content. One idea per slide, maximum 5 lines each. Slide 7 is a CTA with a follow prompt. Use my brand colors navy and gold. Include design direction for each slide. Make every headline punchy and curiosity driven. Watch what happens. Claude doesn't just give you text, it outputs a complete carousel with each slide fully structured: headline, body copy, visual direction, and layout notes. If you have artifacts enabled, Claude generates the actual HTML and CSS for each slide. You can preview them right inside the browser. It's like having a designer, copywriter, and strategist all working at once. Now customize. Say, make slide 3 more punchy. Add a statistic to slide 4. Change the CTA to ask a question. Claude updates instantly. Want a different style? Say, make this more minimalist, or more bold, or more corporate. You can iterate as many times as you want. No extra cost, no waiting for a designer. This is the part where Claude beats every template tool on the market. Here's where it gets insane. Say, now, create 5 more carousels on these topics and list 5 different subjects. Claude generates all 5 in a single response. Each one fully structured, branded, ready to post. That's 35 slides from one prompt. Do this 6 times and you have 30 carousels, a full month of content in under 10 minutes. Exporting is simple. For text-based carousels, copy the content into Canva or any design tool. If Claude generated HTML artifacts, screenshot each slide or copy the code. Some people use Claude skills to auto-generate the images, or use the new Claude Artifacts export feature to download directly. Post to LinkedIn, Instagram, X, or all three. Claude can even write platform-specific captions for each one. Pro tips that separate viral carousels from forgettable ones. First, the hook slide is everything. Use a number a bold claim, or a before and after. 7 AI tools most people don't know exist beats AI tools you should try. Second, 7 slides is the sweet spot. Less feels thin, more loses attention. Third, one idea per slide. Maximum 5 lines. White space is your friend. Fourth, end with a question in your CTA. Which one are you trying first? Drives comments, which drives distribution. Let's do the math. Content trips at $30 a month. That's $360 a year. Postive AI at 99 a month. Nearly 1200 a year. Add Canva Pro for templates. Another 150. Total. You could be spending over $1,700 a year on carousel tools. Claude Pro is $20 a month, and it does carousels plus everything else. That's a savings of over $1,500 a year. That's the complete system. Open Claude, paste the master prompt, get 30 viral carousels in 10 minutes. No design skills, no expensive tools, no templates that look like everyone else's. If this saved you money, subscribe. We turn AI into real money saving shortcuts every week. Watch the 1 minute version for the quick overview link on screen.